Hello, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at one of the most awesome vehicles we have here in stock. This is a fully loaded, top-of-the-line 2015 GMC Yukon XL Denali, and guess what? This is a special one. It's wheelchair accessible. Check it out. The whole side of the vehicle deploys with a push of a button, remote control key fob. The whole side of the vehicle, passenger side of this particular unit. We do have driver side options as well that we offer, where you literally can drive the vehicle right from your wheelchair if you choose. This particular section, you can see that the pan where the wheelchair would sit is right there at the bottom on the floor. And they also, I'm going to show you here shortly, there is a wheel-based. You can see the original chair is on a platform right there that has got casters on the bottom that wheels right off of there. So you can roll that factory chair on the platform that you see right here in the video. You can remove that right out of that spot and put a wheelchair there in its spot instead. So it's pretty cool. You have the option to ride from your wheelchair or transfer from your wheelchair into the factory chair here. So you have different options. And then you got a second row with bucket seats. And then you got a third row as well. So you can bring along the whole entire family. 7 passenger. 3 people can sit in the back, 2 in the middle in the bucket seats, and 2 in the front. 7 passenger. You got dual rear Blu-ray systems. You got sunroof, navigation, Bose, heated and cooled seats, absolutely loaded, top of the line. We also have an Escalade that's coming down the pipes as well that we're converting. We do Suburbans, Escalades, Yukon XLs, GMC Sierras, Chevy Silverados, all with similar side entry, either passenger or driver side entry. Wheelchair accessible, hydraulic, powerful, strong, quality conversions made right here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. You can see this huge warehouse I'm inside of. It has rows and rows of wheelchair accessible vans, cars, trucks, SUVs. This one here is the top of the line at $75,940 is our internet special price on this particular vehicle. We have units starting from $12,000 going all the way up to $80,000. We have a huge range in pricing. We have a budget for everyone. We have long-term 10-year financing as well, so you can make payments very affordable for your budget. This is on the high end. This is a high-end, luxurious, four-wheel drive, fully loaded, black on black, GMC Yukon XL Denali. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you're in a wheelchair, you have the option to ride in this vehicle up front, either in your wheelchair or transfer from your chair into the factory chair. It's on the platform that's mounted on wheels, on casters, that just rolls right off that ramp. Super cool. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Been in business for over 30 years. Our family working hard to help your family to enjoy life, to get out of the house if you're in a wheelchair, and to enjoy your adventures in life from a really cool vehicle like this. Not just a minivan here anymore. Freedom Motors, we're more than a minivan. This is an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. 45,000 miles, fully loaded, navigation, backup camera, dual rear DVD entertainment, not DVD, Blu-ray entertainment system, trailer tow package, integrated trailer brake controller, Bose premium sound system, you name it, everything but the kitchen sink. And a very affordable $75,940 high end for a 4-wheel drive SUV that you can bring the whole family along in life's adventures. Holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas. You take the whole family along. This is awesome. Wheelchair accessible vehicles. This is what we do here at Freedom Motors USA. Awesome vehicles like this. Give me a call. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, call us at 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Check us out at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page to stay up to date with all of our walk-around videos of all of our amazing wheelchair accessible mobility vehicles. Thanks so much for watching my video and have a great day.